Kyrl Grimblood served as a Wolf Lord of the Space Wolves chapter during the 36th millennium, commanding his great company during the era of the Age of Apostasy following the death of the traitorous High Lord of Terror, Goj Vandir. The power vacuum of false prophets vying for influence marked the civil war against the Imperium, known as the Plague of Unbelief. The apostate Cardinal Bucharis of Gathalamor enslaved the populace of his fiefdom until resorting to conquering the worlds in proximity, such as the mining worlds of the Randa system. Joining forces with the renegade of the Navis Imperialis, Admiral Sahala, and Colonel Gusteau of the 25th Regalian Guard Regiment, Bucharis' empire to the galactic west of Holy Terror burgeoned for 750 years of tyranny. Preaching to his followers that the throne world had fallen to the clutches of chaos, Bucharis began his quest to usurp the ecclesiarchy as its new leader, as pawns of chaos and even Xenos rallied under his degenerate banner. As further worlds surrendered to his will, the scions of the Cardinal invaded the galactic east in order to swell their numbers, their greatest mistake made when voyaging too close to the domains of the Vilka Fenrica. Inciting open war against the sons of Leman Russ, the significantly larger fleet of Bucharis attempted to conquer Fenris for solar years to no avail. The second siege of Fenris incurring heavy tolls on the savage mortal tribes, as thousands were captured and enslaved. Yet as the swarms of traitor filth overran the planet, the Rout unleashed their fury upon the wicked. Pushing for one final assault upon the gates of their fortress monastery, the Fang, during its most desperate hour, Wolf Lord Kyrl Grimblood returned. Having spent 5 years hunting with his great company in the roiling tides of the Eye of Terror, Grimblood's strike cruisers tore through the warp and sundered half of Bucharis' fleet. Slaying tens of thousands of mortals with axe, blade, teeth and bolter, Grimblood led the charge alongside his 50 Wolf Guard, the Oath Brothers, as Apostle Bucharis escaped from the fray. His action saving not only his homeworld, but also crucially, crippling the Cardinal's armies. Grimblood's actions allowed for Confessor Dolon Kyrosius to begin the defiant revolt against the madman of Gathalamor. Heralded as the savior of the Imperium for his efforts, Kyrl Grimblood marks the rebirth of humanity into a once more unified body, his image hewn into the Hall of Heroes of the Aett as among the chapter's mightiest champions. The badge of the Spirit Wolf, an ill omen chosen by few Wolf Lords during their tenure, Grimblood is arguably the most revered to have ever adopted the sigil as his personal mark of office. His deeds preserving the Imperium entire through an act of tremendous slaughter. The remainder of his service earned boundless glory for the Rout and his kinsmen.